Hey guys, it's Josh. Obviously, who the fuck else would it be? Tyler Oakley? Fuck off. So if you couldn't tell by my very touristy shirt, I just got back from California. I was there for VidCon, which was fucking awesome. It also destroyed my voice, so if my voice sounds weird, that's why. I did try to daily vlog the entire trip, but it literally came out terribly. So instead, I'm gonna give you guys kind of like a recap and like show you some clips of the day. On June 24th, I left Boston and I hopped on a plane to LAX where I met up with my friend Blake. Since VidCon didn't technically start until the 26th, we hung out in LA for a couple days and we kind of just walked around and like fucked shit up. It was a lot of fun. On day 2, I finally went and met up with my best friends in the whole wide world, Zena, Allison, and Melanie. We went into Hollywood for a game show taping for Let's Make a Deal. Basically, I'm gonna be on Let's Make a Deal only in the audience, but I'm literally right in the front row, so make sure you guys look out for that in October. But later, right after the taping of Let's Make a Deal, we went to In-N-Out because I've never had In-N-Out before, and literally it was just, In-N-Out literally slayed my heart, and it was way better than anything I could have ever expected. On day 3, me and Blakely had to hop onto a shuttle to LAX, and then we took another shuttle from LAX over to like the VidCon area where everything was happening. So we get to our second hotel, and our room is not ready on time, which was really fucking annoying. So instead of us just waiting in the lobby, we actually walked over to VidCon and register and stuff because that was just something we needed to get out of the way. So after registering at VidCon, we go back to our hotel and our room was still not ready, but the manager was so fucking nice and so sweet, and she actually ended up hooking us up with a complimentary suite. I don't know if this happened on the first day or the second day of VidCon, but I was literally swarmed by maybe like 100 people, and it was fucking insane. I know that looks a lot cooler than it is, but it's actually part of a social experiment that me and my friends did. Basically, we got a couple of girls to run up to me and fangirl to see if we can get a reaction out of other people. To say the least, we definitely did. It literally lasted for like 20 minutes and it gave me the worst anxiety. Day 4 was a day where things happened. Wow, only quality videos here in Joshua Dove. I don't really remember too much of this day. It's kind of starting to feel like a blur to me. But me and Blake tried to go to some panels and we literally were only able to go to one of them. But later that day we actually ran into this guy named Daniel Fernandez. Some of you guys may know who he is. He's kind of a badass. He does like magic and prank type of video things. He actually ended up staying the night in our hotel room. He's honestly like the coolest dude in the whole fucking world. Day 5 was also a day where things happened. The night before, we actually ended up staying awake until 5 a.m. and we didn't wake up until like 12 p.m. That's not actually that bad, but we missed a bunch of panels that we wanted to go to already. And then me, Daniel, and Blake went to IHOP, and this was Blake's first time, so I was so glad to be there while he lost his IHOP virginity. He also lost his actual virginity. I helped him take that. No, that didn't happen. So fast forward a couple of hours, and we went to VidCon prom, which I honestly thought was going to be wicked stupid, so we showed up pretty late. We only ended up being there for like 20 minutes because we wanted to do other things. We actually ended up sneaking into the Hilton and we found out about this like YouTuber party thing that was going on the 14th floor. So obviously we had to go and check it out and see what's up with this party. The second we got to like the 14th floor, the party was already being broken up. So then we followed the party outside and it's literally Sam Pepper holding a giant fucking stereo. Literally everyone's just like taking orders from him and it was honestly so fucking cool. We felt so out of place and awkward because we all know who these people are, but they have no idea who we are. I don't know, but that night was very interesting and very, very fun. So this was the last day of my trip to California, and we met up with Zena, Allison, and Melanie at their hotel in this like weird lobby hallway type of thing. And like a badass bitch, Allison is literally just doing her hair in the hallway. And then later on that day we went to Disneyland and, you know, did things that people do at Disneyland, like stuff. Around 2 a.m. we were chilling in this parking garage where Zena parked her car, and everyone actually went in a circle and said like one thing that we're gonna miss about each other, and this is what my friend said about me. What are you gonna miss most when I'm not here?
Come back.
Allison, what are you gonna miss most?
No, seriously.
Are you crying of happiness because I'm leaving?
No, I'm sad. I'm gonna miss your legs and eating with you.
Definitely gonna miss the fact that you can go talk to any single person you want at the fucking place.
I mean, I guess
anyone,
so.
Doesn't matter who. Because that I do not do here.
Thank you, Blake.
I'm gonna miss your confidence and your hilariousness, and you were like the most genuine, nice person I've ever met. And like you're just such a nice person, and you have a heart of gold. And
oh my god, mellow weed, literally mellow weed going deep down into my fucking veins and ripping my heart out. Literally, I love these people all so much. If anyone fucks with them, they're gonna have to fucking fuck with me because fuck you. I honestly could not have asked for a better VidCon experience. But yeah, that was kind of my VidCon California experience in a nutshell. I really, really hope you guys like this video. I feel like it was kind of different from the videos that I usually post. But if you did like this video, don't forget to give it a nice big thumbing because you know how much I like nice big thumbings. Also, one more thing before I go, the other night I opened up a Facebook fan page for my YouTube channel. If you guys can go and like that page, it would mean the world to me. But yeah, I don't know. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you next week. Bye! sleeping.
on the bench.
The radio did not say that. Did not say we could not lay down.
It said no sitting on laps for young children.
And no smoking, eating, or drinking while the vehicle is moving.
And no sitting on laps except for young children.
Like seriously.
Camera. Dude. And he didn't say anything when we like.
Awesome job telling us not to lay down on a fucking trolley.